Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I am here with you to share my project for Remember the Time YouTube Hop, sponsored by Country Craft Creations. And we all use this amazing paper collection from Country Craft Creations, and it is exclusive for there. It is called Remember the Time, and it is a calendar collection, and it has lots and lots of papers. So let me go ahead and show you. This is this. So it has all the pieces, and I'm going to show you what my project is. For my project, it is a mini album, and it's supposed to cover a year's time. You can, each section for each month, you can probably put in about, probably up to maybe 20 photos, if not more. There's some pockets and everything, so you can definitely add a lot more, but it's almost a challenge every month to take some photos. So it's going to be kind of like a year-long project to try to do photos, and this is going to be for me, and I'm really going to challenge myself to take photos because I'm really bad at it. You would think I do a lot of photos because of it. However, anyway, I use this. I use the whole calendar collection as well as the additional sheets that you can pick up. So my cover, I loved this look here with all the pieces just like that. So ta-da! I mirrored that look with using all of my scraps. So these are like 1-inch strips cut out of some of my leftover pieces. So I have this, and there's the spine, and then the back, and it just looks super cute. I really liked that, and obviously from the cover sheet, I'm not going to get this to go on this. So I just cut the strips, and I love the look. So everything is inked with Vintage Photo. And this is a mini album, and this is a monster because I can't make anything simple. So it has a 4-inch spine. It is 10 by 9, I think it is. Let me just double check because I don't remember. Yeah. Yep, so the overall size of this is a 4-inch spine, 10 by 9, and 8.5-inch pages. And let's get started. So real quick, before I do get started and show you this, this is a hop, and there is lots of prizes and stuff that you can go ahead and win. The rules are pretty simple. Like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. So all of us designers have all the rules and stuff will be in the description box down below. And for my prize, I am going to give away a $25 gift certificate to Country Craft Creations. And I also have a special gift to give away that was donated to me, and I will show you that in a minute, so hang around. All right, so let's get started. So this opens up, and like I said, it is huge. It's not even really going to sit super flat. So over on the cover page, you do have an angled pocket, and I mirrored this page here because I wanted it to look right. Now, I am not 100% done with this album. I still have a ways to go, so I will give you a full walkthrough of it when I do the tutorial, which sometime next week. However, this is what I have right now, and it's mostly done, but there's still some spots left. So over here, we're going to start off with a little belly band. This will keep your entire month contained. So it opens up like that. And then you have your calendar, so you can go ahead and write down the days, little notes for birthdays and stuff, any kind of fun little things that you want to put in for that current month. And let me grab a piece of paper. That worked. So this go ahead and lifts up, and there is a pocket just like that. So you can go ahead, add more photos right there. And every page style is exactly the same for each month. And then I put a little unique cutout down here because I wanted the calendar to kind of sit in very pretty like. And then you have room for more pockets, more photo mats and stuff that you can go ahead and put in there. So this is what keeps everything closed by the belly band. So to get into all the goodness, you keep that lifted up. And we're going to go ahead and fold this way. So I did portrait photos because I usually use my cell phone a lot. So, and obviously you're going to take more portrait photos, I think, with that. And that's what I do when I do take photos. So I went ahead and did these, but you can definitely make your layouts any way you want, accommodate your photos. And I used all the cut aparts and stuff to fill in the areas because there's I used one whole collection of the Remember the Time and then the additional pack that you can buy. But if you wanted to go ahead and cover everything, you're definitely going to need a lot more paper. So using the photo mats kind of fills up the spaces, and then just using some of my scraps, I can go ahead and fill in the little spots. And then it opens up like this. And then you have photo mats that flip, just like that. And then I have a unique set of stacked pockets. Let me see. So these will go, they're kind of fun. So that one would be a little short, but that's a pocket there, and you'd have one there, and one there, and one there. So it makes kind of a fun little effect right here. However, you do need to have a shorter photo, or you could even have like a little photo mat kind of hanging over. So you could do that with all of them even. Whatever I decide to do, I'll show you in the tutorial what I come up with. So I didn't have time to make those photo mats and stuff. And so we have that. So then we go ahead and this side closes up, and then this one back over. Bring your calendar down, and then we're going to keep it all nice and tucked in. So we're just going to go ahead and wind it up, and then go ahead and tuck that little string in, and then we're going to flip over to February. So again, like I said, every page does match, and so far, sometimes when I make things will get hung up, but these ones here I think these are going to be pretty good, so I don't think anything's going to get caught up. So, and then February, lift up, absolutely cute, with our little pocket up there, and then open up. So you can also do, you don't have to do the pockets in the center. You can go ahead and do like a full layout going right across the thing here. So if you don't want to do all the little pockets, or you don't want to do every month with pockets, you can definitely go ahead and add some more photo mats, and then just have a really fun layout that goes across the whole thing. And the little cut aparts that I used to go ahead and do the closure, and then the little February. I do know, which I was excited to hear, that some of Tamara's new paper, the New Year's Eve one, I know is she got a die to go ahead and cut, so we won't have to fussy cut. So I'm excited about that because I am not a fussy cutter. So March, lift up. I love the colors of the March. The green is super pretty. So this is where I ran out of time. So this one is not done, but really pretty here. I kind of took on too much of an ambitious project for this time of the year because I work retail. So as you know, I don't have to say much more. I'm just going to leave it at that. But I don't seem to make anything simple. So go big or stay home, right? And then over here, here's April. And I really love this. I'm kind of proud of this album. It did come out super cute. And the pages are really simple. There's not a lot to construct these. The most that you might have challenge in is just cutting this little notch here. And if you didn't want to, you wouldn't have to. You could just leave the whole pocket at the bottom solid, and then this would just set on top of your pocket. But I kind of wanted to do something unique, so I did that little cutout right there. All right. But the colors, I love that. And Vintage Photo is perfect for this paper. And then May. And over here. And then they just repeat. So I'll move along a little quicker here because obviously they're all identical. June. The greens in this collection, the greens are so pretty. Like, I'm not generally a green kind of person, but I just love the greens. And I know my camera's, it's nice and bright so you can see. It's a little too bright, but it's not, it's kind of washing out the colors a little bit. But when you see this in person, oops, we had a little boo-boo here. Oops. Might have to fix that guy. I'll get that fixed. If I need to, I'll just cut another one. I have a sheet of that left. There's that. Really pretty. So in some of the pocket pages, I went ahead and used the patterns versus doing like on the June one, I did just like the, I guess the pattern backgrounds versus the more detailed images. But some of them I just had to do that because it just looked really pretty and I really wanted to use those ones. So. And then August, the blues in August too are absolutely gorgeous. When I started working with it, the blues and the reds here for this set, for August's images are so pretty. Okay. My pockets. So again, this one here, I left the more detailed image here, and then I used the back side to go ahead and do the pockets because I wanted that nice pop of blue right there, and it looked really good like that. Oops. And then September. Yeah. There's that one. And I actually made these pages first before I made the album because I knew I was going to have a big book. And I wanted to make sure that when I did, that I didn't have alligator mouth with my album. So I made all the pages first and then measured and did the cover. And then November. Yeah. Right there. And then we just got December, and then I will show you another prize. So again, with December, just like I did on the front, I did the back cover to match December, so it just kind of all fit in line. It was December, and then I started working backwards. So December is almost done. Super pretty. Alrighty, and then of course you have another corner pocket right there. I had so much going on the pages, I just wanted something simple in case you need to put a little extra in. You have the nice pockets. Alrighty. Alright, give me 1 second. All right, so let's just go back over the prizes real quick and the rules. So there is lots of gift certificates that are being sponsored by Country Craft Creations. So what you need to do to win those is go ahead and, again, like each video, comment on them, subscribe to the channels. The prizes will be drawn on November 30th. All the rules and stuff will be down below. You do have a certain time, I think it was December 7th. I think it was, to go ahead and respond back, but just double check down below because I don't exactly remember. And then I'm also going to do a $25 gift certificate to Country Craft Creations. So to win mine that I will be putting up and giving away to somebody, in the comment section below, let me know what was your favorite month that you saw on here. And that will be how you will get entered into my personal drawing for the $25 gift certificate. And I do have an extra prize that I said that I did receive. So Creative Chaos by Cindy Brown, she went ahead and sent me one of her cute little pouches here. And it has this really pretty, and it's of course Christmas. So if you like Christmas, this is perfect with all the cute little beads and stuff on there. And little pokey tool. And I will leave a link down below to her Etsy store. But look at all the cute little gingerbread and all the, her sewing is really, really cool on here. She's got a lot of neat stuff in her shop. So anyway, what I am going to do is for this one here, you have to be a member of Country Craft Creations on the Facebook group page, which is Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. And what I will do is post a picture over there that will be a picture of the book and this, and that's where you're going to go ahead and leave your comment on there to win this. And then when I draw for my gift certificate, I will draw for that as well. But anyway, I will leave a link down below for that. And thank you, Cindy, for going ahead and sponsoring. I was excited that she was going to send me something for the hop. Okay, real quick, let me just add in here. If you're currently not a member of Country Craft Creations Facebook page, which is Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, you can go ahead over and join that. And then you can still have a chance to win this. So you'll see all the amazing projects that the designers post over there, as well as a lot of chit chat. It's a super fun group. So if you're not already a member, go ahead over there and you can still win this if you weren't a member, but you go ahead and sign up over there to join the Facebook group. So that is fun. So anyway, somebody will get this and I'll put that off in the mail to you. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this album. Again, it's not 100% done. It's almost done. I will have a full walkthrough with the tutorial sometime later next week that you can check out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and all the other projects that the designers are doing. It's very interesting to see what everybody is doing with this paper collection. And because we all have our own unique styles, you're going to get quite a choice of whatever you want to make with this collection. Alrighty, so anyway, until next time guys, happy crafting. Bye.